Hi everyone, I'm Anna and I'll be showing you how to make a very simple dish called steamed beef rolls. The total cost of this dish was around $22. You only need 4 ingredients to successfully make this dish, and the first item is enoki mushrooms. I love the crunchy and chewy texture that these give after steaming properly. Next, we have bean sprouts on the list, and these also enhance the crunch of the steamed beef rolls. Then we have the thinly sliced beef that wraps around the previous 2 ingredients to make it super easy to grab and eat. And last but not least, the napa cabbage acts as a base for the whole dish. I washed all the ingredients off camera, so let's get to prepping. We start off with the napa cabbage and cut them into bite-sized pieces. Once cut, we spread it all throughout the base of the cooking pot. This helps keep the thinly sliced beef from sticking to the bottom of the pot when steaming. Also, the napa cabbage becomes super soft and delicious after it's steamed. Next, we are going to lay the thinly sliced beef onto a flat surface and roll them up after putting some enoki mushroom and bean sprouts in the middle. It took around 17 minutes in total for me to wrap everything and fill the cooking pot up to the brim. I wore the wrong gloves for this, and the ingredients kept slipping out of my hands. I'm sure if you use a glove with more grip, it wouldn't take as long. Keep repeating this until you're all out of the beef and your cooking pot should look like this. So pretty! Oh, before you start steaming the whole thing, I recommend you add some soju if you have any and add water by a 2 to 8 ratio. I added more water after this recording because I knew I didn't add enough. I used a deep spoon to measure the amount, but you can definitely do it by feel. So yeah, 3 spoons was just not enough water. Hmm. Now we're ready to start cooking it. I recommend keeping it on high heat for 15 minutes and make sure you check on it around 10 minutes mark. Once you don't see any red color on the beef, it's ready. While we wait for the beef rolls to steam, I want to make a sauce that's very similar to ponzu sauce. If you don't feel like making the sauce from scratch, then you can definitely just buy ponzu sauce from the market. So first, we are going to chop some scallions into very small pieces and dump them into a bowl. Next, we add 5 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of apple vinegar, 1 tablespoon of plum extract, 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, and half a tablespoon of lemon juice. Finally, we finish it off with 5 tablespoons of water. Mix it well so that the scallions get marinated. And now you have homemade fondue. It's actually so much better than store bought in my opinion. It's finally done. Here's the final product. Looks pretty good, right? We had some leftover ingredients in the fridge to make some spring rolls, so we had it together with the steamed beef rolls. Normally, we would just have this with a bowl of rice, but this was really good too. My husband loves the steamed beef rolls because it's super light, filling, and pretty healthy. I make it for him every 2 weeks because he likes it so much. Here is my attempt at making a spring roll. I'm trying to stuff as many veggies as possible. Not bad, right? This is my first YouTube video ever, and I want to thank everyone that has gotten this far. I'm new to this, but I really enjoy cooking and sharing, so that's why I started this channel. This is also a great outlet for me to practice my English as it isn't my first language. I hope that people try some of the recipes that I post and enjoy the food as much as my husband and I do. Let me know in the comments if you guys ever end up making this dish. I would love to receive feedback. We finished the whole thing and it was awesome. Thank you all for watching, and there's a bonus clip at the end just for fun. Isn't my first language. I hope that people try some of the recipes that I post and enjoy the food as much as I. 이거 여기가 어려워.